3 bombs suspected to be hurled by Kuki militants towards State Force and CRPF on July 14 were discovered at Mongbung village in Jiribam district and remain unretrieved. As per sources, the bombs were kept submerged in water. Speaking to SKTV News by a villager, the bombs were located at their premises on July 16, 2 days after the militant attack. Among the 3 bombs, 1 has detonated, while 2 are still unexploded. Despite informing the authority concerned about the presence of the bombs have not yet been removed. Due to the extreme heat in Jiribam, the bombs are kept submerged in a bucket of water to prevent them from potentially detonating. The villagers urged the authority concerned to retrieve the bomb at the earliest, as it is not safe for the villagers.
Bomb phangé tawbada do kedo wirage
adu haji pokhaide ba ani di lei
ado kamaina thammi ka police ta pibagi paw kamaina kena tawge
laikai de leba police to budi moi da budi khoina khai me ko si bomb je noi pu roina do moi na ko thau sa de ba
ado ani sunan di hayu to bo kamaina tawge
ani da ki sure ai ba do moi na ta sana da main to ba
ado nungsa sa ba khoi ba jidina kamai thamge bomb du
nungsa se da khoi gi ising baltin da ne ising hapsala bang hapsala thamme ba
sagatana baina
sara de pokai me
do kuina ya hape hange ne hangai ni